Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your girl Katashi and welcome. So while my sliced fish are soaking up all that lovely seasoning, I went ahead yesterday and put my bammies to soak in some coconut milk and a little bit of salt. If you're not using coconut milk to soak your bammy, then I don't know what you're doing. Okay guys, alright, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fry these babies up. Pat dry them before you put them in the oil, guys. You don't want it to splash on bread meat. So to my flour, I added garlic powder and some orange seasoning. Now I'm going to put my fish in there and place them in the fry. Add some garlic to your oil before you start frying the fish. So now I'm going to add some vinegar. We're going to add more onions, sweet pepper, and my Scotch peppers. Stir that a bit. So this is going to be kind of acidic, so what you want to do is add a little bit of sugar to it, just a little bit. We're going to also add some pimento seeds. So we're just going to add a little bit of sugar. So here I have some coconut milk and I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to it. I find my corns taste better when I put them in coconut milk instead of just plain water. We're going to let that boil for about 10 minutes. And there you have it guys, how I made Escovitch Slice fish. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!